Tired of missing out on profitable trades? Introducing ProChart, the ultimate trading indicator designed to take your strategy to the next level. ProChart isn't just another tool, it's a powerful market scanner that pinpoints high-probability setups across multiple time frames. It doesn't tell you when to enter a trade. It goes beyond basic signals. It analyzes how the market is moving in real time, helping you spot potential breakouts or reversals using key price action signatures like inside bars, identify potential reversals, pin bars, spot potential trend continuations, outside bars, signal potential breakouts, spike bars, capture volatile moves, reversal bars, alert you to possible trend changes. The results speak for themselves. $1,283 profit from this signal, $593 from this one, and another $920 here. ProChart integrates seamlessly with your trading plan, giving you the edge to boost your win rate and profits. It's a powerful suite that can help you enhance your trading edge and increase your chances of success. Ready to transform your trading? Click the link below and get started in under 1 minute.